Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
I went to a police station, Thathwa. So, on my way to police station, I called my brother. Bapute diyabantu. So my brother wengekho sentweni se-Joburg. So wathi ke, okay, I'll try to contact someone that side. I'll see what I can do. Then obviously ifoni zami zazithathiwe, yonke into yami yathathwa, ndangena esiseleni. Ndalala esiseleni, guys. I slept esiseleni, ndangena esiseleni, ivumba lesisele. I know what. Because ndalala, ndakhala ubusuku bonke. Even the ladies they were like, girl, this is not gonna help you. Ungahlala nathi for the longest time, because bebebuza, why are you here? Because phana ke kuyancokola ke, I didn't know, I thought mnawufika kwamphansi kwenza izimanga. But ke pha ufika kukho abantu abancokolayo, bancokola wonke umuntu uyancokola ngengxaki zakhe, because abantu abakagwetywa. So in the following day, I went to court, Uyovela, a court. Oh, I remember ndingena, I'm like, yeah, kapal bentena brother Mizolo. Nothing happened during the night, because when I thought mna ndingakhutshwa ngo-1 kuba ndiphethe kwasa ke. Then ke ngongena phayana e-court ndijonga ke ngokuba, because there are people who are there to listen ematyaleni. And sithi nanku brother wam, yo, the relief that I got. Then umantye wanika ibail 5,000. Then kwatshiwo uba ke ndabekelwe enye idate endizophinda ndibuye ngayo. Okay, fine. Ndaphuma ke, fast forward, I had to have a lawyer to go about my case. Xa sesisearcha ke into necase yam is that ndile nto ndisuspect the someone oze ngaphambili oyifamily that they need to check even the wife, because the wife with their brother, then they went through the phone. What was my chat with my husband? Obviously, like everyone else. And mind you, I had those times that phone, but we were talking on WhatsApp. So there was those things Tula ufe, which is something that I always say to people when outside nonsense. Okay, like and this is so I always use that line. So zinto zanenza ndizothathwa. So mna ndibuze kuloyo uba ithini le nto le case, because ephone there are lots of things that abanosebenzisa besides ezinto uzithetha as a week zam. Yayibona ba ndabhala ku WhatsApp ndathini kubolela nto. Then besithi kena ke izinto ezinjani ke lokhu ethina sinayo i-proof at the end of the day. We need to have a proof. So ndithi ke I do have a proof mna, because I did send myself everything that I saw on that phone. Hey, kani ndizibethile nyani ndimthumelele ke lawyer le yam. And then lawyer yam yayibribe okanye ngakwenzeka ntoni, but ikhonto yayi-offer but yona, because I told my lawyer. Then within a week, I started getting some calls. The track news uba into lenzama uyenza, I won't make it. Noba ke ndifuna uba ibe ndimi umuntu ozongena eseleni, because andikwazi uba ndithi kudisendiveze izinto ezisekuthileni kwathini, yabona. So I'm like, amapolisa kandenze nona, isn't that it was their job to do so? Okay, fine. Ilawyer yam ndadibana sendixelela istory uba he can't take my land, my case, because of a load of work. When excuse which was permanent. Okay, fine. We had to change a lawyer. Then my brother advised me, bra, masiyeke ngolento ba ubuthetha nenyani yakwa babantu, because it's quite obvious ba into case yakho yaphekwa. So when the only thing that you need to do ba uye kumthetha adlala indima yakhe. Let's not prove that there's ezinye izinto ezifihliweyo that we know, because it shows obviously ba there are people nyana aba behind ubhubha kwalo mntu uyayibona. Okay, fine. Ndathula nyhani, we went ecourt okwesibini, ndaphinda ndabekelwa enye idate, ndahlala mani eJoburg, but yeyi izinto zazisenzeka guys, because I started uba ibingathi ndiyalandelwa, like ndandingekho safe, yayibona. Then ndadecide uba mandigoduke. I went back to Eastern Cape, ndayohlala ekhaya. Then ndandimane ndisiya ke xa ndisiya etyaleni ke, ndimane ndikhwela ndisiya ke xa ndisiya etyaleni, ndiphinde ndibuye ndihlale ekhaya. Then ndaphuma kulaa nto, because icase ke ya-enda phaa ichithwa ke, because there was no evidence of the whole thing. Then yaduka ke icase yachithwa ke, all in all. Then I went back home. I started from start, because everything that endandiyishilo ngulaa bhuti, that decide uba no, andiyidingi, because I needed to close that chapter. I felt like izondilandelelela into yalaa bhuti kude kuyovalwa. Yeah, people will always have learned it, everything that laa bhuti wayibhalise ngam belonged to me. But I left everything, man, because even my car, I sold it after ndandibona uba ubomi ke abusandiphathanga kakuhle. I was going through a lot. I wanted to start afresh. So yeah, then that's my life. I'm here. Tiapila. So guys, the other thing, I'm done with my story. The other thing that I want to say to our beautiful ladies, guys, masizithandeni, masizixabiseni. We are capable to do big things. It's just trust yourself, and yeah, start whatever, go to school, yeah, do that business that you think that can work for you. My second comment because one thing I'll tell you, as much ba uphila kamnandi xa unendoda ekwenzela everything, but most of the time you pay for that. As much ba usenzela yonke into, but you're not happy kuba phayana most of the time. Yeah, there's a lot, man. But immediately you decide ngobomi bakho, yeah, I'm gonna live my life. I'll get to a relationship just because I love the person, not because ndifuna i-benefits. So yeah, especially to the young ladies.
I feel like as women, we have a big problem, especially when it comes to marriage. Yo, guys, it's like you're actually bringing a lot of wars towards you. I don't even know how to put this, but when it comes to marriage, it's a lot that goes down, because I have personally seen women going through a lot, being accused of taking out their own husband, of taking out, like, yo guys winning. And for this one, I really do understand her, and also the pain and everything that is just coming her way, because the man was old. Like, we have seen it when we see a woman with an old man, it's always that thing of, okay, she's hungry, she's looking for money, she's a gold digger, she's a what. So yo guys, I really don't know how we can prevent this as women, to make sure Gucci, you do not experience that. I can just imagine you are now mourning your husband, and here they are accusing you of taking him out. Like, it really does not make any sense. And this is something that have been going on for the longest time. Even before we were even born, women have been accused, especially by the in-laws. They have been accused for the longest time of what, no, you are the one who killed your husband. Some of the in-laws will even get to a point of coming and fetching everything that man owned, just because Uguti, you are the one. You are the one who took out your husband. And it's very sad to witness this, because when you check in those families, in those in-laws that are doing this, that are mistreating these women, they are women as well. Why can't they just feel the pain of these women? If only there were men doing this, it was understandable, because he's a man. Like, he is a man. But even if he's a man, he must know what you are dealing with a lot at the point. The husband is no more. You are mourning your husband. Maybe at that time you have kids. that you actually have to be strong for. And here, your guys, when it comes to this one, like, I really don't know how it can be solved. I really do not know how it can be solved, because this has been happening, Tebatung. This has been happening for the longest time now, and women are just going through a lot. One thing that I can tell you out there is that when you get married, you're actually opening yourself to so many difficult situations that are coming your way. So many of them. You will be dealing with the in-laws. When it comes to the in-laws, it's worse. It's worse. And also the community, when it comes to losing your husband, they will actually tend to you and say, no, this one, she knows what happened. And deep down, they know what you don't know. You have no idea. How can I take out my own husband, the father of my kids? Whew, guys, with this one, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think? What can be done so that we avoid being in such situations, or we avoid such situations in everything we can? Every power, J.